Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to turn on your Jeep compass screen. First, locate the power button, which is typically a knob on the radio unit itself. Press and hold this button for a few seconds until the screen illuminates. You should see the Jeep logo appear, indicating the system is booting up. This simple step gets your infotainment system ready for use, allowing access to all its features and settings. If your screen doesn't turn on, don't worry, there are a few things to check. First, confirm your vehicle's ignition is on or in accessory mode. The screen won't power up otherwise. Next, consider checking the fuse for the infotainment system. A blown fuse can prevent operation. Finally, try a soft reset by turning your Jeep off completely, waiting about 30 seconds, and then restarting it. Once your screen is on, you can customize its appearance. Tap the settings icon on the touchscreen, usually found on the main menu. From there, look for display or screen options. Within these settings, you can adjust the brightness level, contrast, and even change the display theme. Tailor these options to ensure optimal visibility and comfort during both day and night driving. Your Jeep compass screen offers many advanced features. Connect your smartphone using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto for seamless integration of apps and navigation. The built-in navigation system provides clear, turn-by-turn directions to your destination. Additionally, explore various media options, including AM/FM radio, USB input, and Bluetooth audio streaming, enhancing every journey with entertainment and convenience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.